In this video, I'm going to share with you how we can factory reset the Sync Module 2, and here it goes. So what you need to do is pretty simply. You just have to press, you're going to locate this button right here above the USB connector. You're going to locate the button and you just want to press it for about 5 seconds with a small pointed object, let's say a pen or pinhole or a paper clip. And you want to press it for 5 seconds and you want to release the button once the red LED light, there's going to be a red light flashing and blinking blue and solid green LED will appear, indicating the Sync Module 2 is now ready to be set up. So you're just going to press and hold it. Now this is the first thing. Now maybe this is not going to resolve the issue that you have, so this is something that you have to do. So first, unplug the device from the battery. So you're going to unplug it, and then you just want to wait for 30 seconds. You want to press and hold the reset button. You want to press and hold it, and then you want to put the cable back in, and we're going to put the cable back in. What will happen then? You want to continue holding the reset button until you see a flashing red light on the module, right? Once you've seen the flashing red light, you can release the reset button. After resetting the device, wait patiently for the solid blue light to change back into solid green blinking blue light pattern. This pattern means the firmware has been reset on the device and is ready to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. So that's pretty much it, what you can try to do, and this is how you're going to reset. And that's it. So I hope this thing is going to help you and actually fix the issue that you have. Thank you very much and have a great day, and goodbye.